From the moment you arrive, you can feel it, that rare blend of space, comfort, and connection that makes a house truly feel like home. Situated on 2 serene acres where peace, privacy, and family life come together. The backyard feels like your own private park, fully fenced for the kids and pets, complete with a pond, playset, pool, and even a chicken coop for fresh eggs in the morning. Unwind or entertain on the spacious back deck overlooking it all, or tinker away in the attached double garage or powered hobby shed. Step inside to discover more than 4,000 square feet of beautifully updated living space, filled with natural light and modern comfort. With 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, there's space for everyone. 2 of the bedrooms feature their own ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, a rare and welcome luxury for a growing family. Timeless country charm with the convenience of natural gas heating and town water, all in a great school district that families love. This home truly checks all the boxes: space, comfort, and privacy, and the perfect country lifestyle. Welcome home.